pound dollar technical analysis today, September 30th, and this is the weekly chart. And we can see that for about over a year or so, we can see a massive downtrend. Sorry. Each of these candlestick bars represent 1 week. And at this very moment, this week, we can see a very interesting, strong, bullish pin bar that at this very moment is in a green, strong, bullish area here. And also we have a very good, massive tail, which tells me that buyers stepped in very fast at this level, about 1.04 or 1.03555. And let's have a look on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see that we had, for a couple of days ago, a very clear bullish pin bar. And we can see that also here on the daily chart that the demand was very strong and swift here. And most interesting is to see that using this bullish pin bar is also a mother bar. So these two candlestick bars plus this one, it's an inside bar pattern. So if I do like this, I can show you my thoughts here about this strong strategy using the pin bar strategy combined with inside bar strategy. So let me show you. I'm marking the inside bar here, the mother bar, and we can see that we have 3 days here, 1, 2, 3 days of consolidation, and we can see that the first candlestick bar was bullish, as I was mentioning, and then we had a kind of doji here, an even struggle between buyers and sellers, and the third day we could see the second sign that we most likely have a bullish trade here for the pound. And here we can see a breakout and close above the highest top level of this bullish pin bar. So this is a pin bar and also a inside bar pattern that is a very reliable pattern to use when using a breakout strategy. And I went long when I using lower time frames. When I saw that we had a close here at this level 1.096 above this structure of this pin bar or mother bar, and let's have a look on a lower time frame for our chart. Here you can see that I have marked the daily pin bar here, and we can see on 4-hour chart that we had a close here. So I went long at this level, and I think it's very possible that this pound dollar pair will have a pullback to this level, back to this strong support resistance level, and then go back to higher levels at this point, or to this level that we can see at previous top on 9.17. So let's check on 1-hour chart. Let me enhance it a little bit. So I can show you my positions. I am about 6,000 US dollar in profit, and I will take off this money profit from the table because I'm anticipating that the trade, as I were mentioning, that the price, the pound, will have a pullback around this level and then shoots up for a new higher high. So we can see that on this 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have higher lows. This low is higher than previous low, and this low is higher than this previous low. So we have a structure here of 1, 2, 3 higher lows, and here we can see no breakout so far. So we have a kind of a catch-up effect, a squeezer here, where buyers stepping in much faster. We can see there's a interest to buy this pair. So if I put some kind of line like this or this one, so you can see it's go higher and higher squeeze, the buyer stepping in more potent and heavy and fast. So you can see we have an angle of 45 degrees here, approximately, or 40 degrees. And then you can see we have a much steeper angle on the upside here and a close. So that's the reason why I put the buy stop orders here. So just of this few hours, I got 6,000 US dollar in profit. So I will take off the money from the table, as I was mentioning. And I have also put buy limit orders, two of them actually. If the price, the pound dollar, would have a massive pullback, I also put a buy limit orders for long-term trading for a couple of weeks and months. I am very positive, strong believer that the pound and the euro will rise and could be a very strong investment for the coming weeks. So let me see here. Let me change back to the daily chart. And I have put two buy limit orders here. One at this level here at 1.057. And the other buy stop level is at this level, 1.035. And my stop losses is just below this wick here, or tail. Here's my stop losses. And for the first buy limit order, you can see my setup here, that this is my entry at this wick here. And this is my take profit level and stop profit and stop loss level here. And I go for a risk reward ratio of 1.3. So this is my risk and this is my aim for profit. So so I'm anticipating a profit that is 3 times higher than my risk here. And my second buy limit order, as I were mentioning, is here, 1.03. And this is very tight stop loss, also below this mother bar or wick down here. And I have my take profit level here at 1.1256. And the risk reward ratio here is very high. It's over 8 times my money. So it's very effective to use stop losses below this wick here, because the banks and institutions have already made this stop hunting here for retail traders taking their money, so they can get money for their liquidity pool. And then the professionals investment banks and so on, they go long when they have a lot of stop losses hunts here. So they get money from the retail traders. So this is kind of bear trap. The price went down. Retail trader thinks and feel worries that the pound dollar will continue on the downside, but the banks takes the stop losses, they get more money from you, and then they shoots up on the other direction. Okay, I hope you liked my video and take care. Have a nice weekend. Bye for now.